Hello everyone, welcome back to our video number 9, and in this video I would like to work on the page where I want to display only to the people who have not taken their quiz. If they have not taken the quiz, then only they should be able to attend the quiz. So I'll go to my quiz landing page, and now here is what I want to display. This is the content which I'm getting displayed. Right? So this is the message which I'll be displaying them. That's fine. But I want to display this part only if they have not participated in the quiz. So how do I know whether they have participated in the quiz or not? So the one which will be helping us out whether they have participated in the quiz or not is the data extension which has recorded the results. Okay, so here is my answers, quiz answers, where I can see there are 4 answers from Chandra Prasad for now. And you can see, so contact key, email address, question numbers, and others. If I have this contact key existing, so let me go into my quiz page. I just want to improve this. So if not empty, I'll check for this one. Now I want to display this form. I want to display this form based on if they have not answered. Okay. Once again, one more if I'll go for set at mm, get answers records, get answer records with the help of lookup rows. Okay. Lookup rows where I'll be checking for the data extension with a specific field and with the variable key. If they have already answered, look up rows and it should be coming from this D. If they have already answered it, it should not display them. So set at um, answered count, if it is equal to row count from the previous set. Row count will tell you how many people are there based on the criteria. Row count at get answers record. And now I want to display. I want to display this form only if the record count is 0. Okay. So mm, set at uh, message you have completed the quiz. You have completed the quiz. This is the message which I want to display, which will be displayed here also. Kindly visit this page from the email sent to you. If no email found in inbox, check your spam folder. Okay. If they are trying to visit this from a direct link, and this one will be displayed the message, and I have a record count. I want to display it only if it is not. So this form, these are the hidden fields. These are the form fields which are getting displayed, and I am ending the end if here. Else the message. Okay, end if, one more end if. This is the end if for the key in email. Okay, and this is the end if for questions. End if for questions. I know there are questions, but I just wanted to have this question count and I want to display this form only if they have not answered. So I have to write an AM script. If at answer count is not equal to 0, then okay, if this is the if condition started with answer count, I need to have a right end if. So that end if, this is a new if, this is the key, right? This is the key, this is the else part of that. It should be closed within. So it should be closed here. Okay. It should be closed here. Then end if, end if. This is for answer if count. Because we don't have flower buckets to recognize, this is how it works. Okay. So save, copy, and one more thing is once they submit the form, they should not go back. Once they submit the form, they should not go back. I will write a script also for that. This is my quiz page. Let me test this. I'll show you how to test this email. So now, for Chandra Prasad, it should not display. Answer submitted, quiz content, take the quiz email, preview and test it for Chandra. Yeah, this is Chandra. If I submit it, it should throw me an error. No, it's not. It is still showing, right? I've already answered it. And I can see you have completed the quiz. Okay. It is showing the message, but okay, it should be equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, means they have not answered. We just change the code here, done editing, save, schedule, publish, go back to the email, submit it, and now you can see the message. You have completed the quiz. And if they have completed the quiz, there is no back button. This is good. No submit button. Let me check for others. For the actual subscribers, I'll go to my quiz. Participants, select one of them. I've sent already the email for them. If I click for this person, it should display the content. Yes, this is working. I don't want to show them. I don't want to show them. So let me select the same test D. Chandra Prasad has already submitted. For this person, if I click the quiz, you can see the message. You have completed the quiz. Okay. So that is one thing which I wanted to check. Second thing which I wanted to do is if they visit the page, they should not come back. JavaScript, no back button. JavaScript, no back button. Disable the back button. History dot push state. I think this is the one which function prevent back window dot history dot forward set time mode prevent back 0 window dot on unload. Is this the one? History dot go on pop state. History dot push state null location and add a new state to history window dot event listener pop state function disable the browser back button in JavaScript. Let's see whether this works. Window dot function return sorry. Your work will be lost. Window.script function disable back window.history.forward set timeout disable back and window.unload function null. How to disable browser back button using JavaScript? Window.history.push state window.on prop state function history.disable browser using JavaScript. There are many functions, right? So I'll make use of this one. This should work in my processing quiz page. So immediately when they visit, okay, script tag open, script tag close, and make sure that this is working. Window.on pop state. So hopefully this should work. Let me copy this, go back to my browser, open the processing quiz, and I have already answered the questions. I'll clear it so that I want to check whether the back button is disabled or not. HTML editor is my script tag, done, schedule, processing page publish, and here is my D. I'll clear my answers, okay? These are my answers. Clear it. Without this, I cannot answer it again. I'll go back to my email. Here is Chandra Prasad. Since I cleared it, I'm able to see the answers. I'm not changing anything. I'll hit the button. Okay. You have completed the quiz. How is this message coming again? I have not completed it, right? Mm, quiz page. Uh, okay. This is just a message, right? It will display no matter what. Um, no, this should be set as a message. If not equal to 0, come here, display the form, else. Okay, this is good. Cloud page. This is my processing page. Take quiz. I should set the message only if it is required. So if I visit this page directly, it won't allow you to answer. Kindly visit the page from the email sent to you. If no email found in the inbox, go for your spam folder. Okay. This is my quiz page. As and when you progress, your codes will be. Let me go to here is the quiz. I have not submitted it. Let me just click the submit button. Very good. And now it says, okay, I need to improve this one. I'll click on back button. Black button doesn't work because I don't want them to answer it again. Okay. Thank you very much on this one. Now, if I try to answer the quiz again, now it is, oh, sorry, it is not showing me the message, right? So I should have displayed with the message. You have completed it, right? Uh, I think there is an else. Okay. If else end. If it is equal to 0, the form else This form is important. If, okay. This if is getting closed first. Okay. This is my end for questions. Else, this is the internal if. This is where is this else working? Um, you have an if here, which is coming with end if here. Else, kindly visit the page from the email because there is end if, else, end if. So how many if we have? We have this is my first if, this is my second if, this is my third if. So first if as an else part, okay, and first if is ended here. That is the internal one. This is the else part for the outer if. This one, okay. This is end for questions. So if this is ended, this is the else part. I should have three end if. Okay, I should have three end if. This is one, this is two, this is three. So three has a simple if. If this is my third if, and then this is my second. Uh, this is my okay. So for this second if, this is working as an else part, and here I should have the message else part. This is the message. This is the end if answer. This is my second if. This is my third one. Perfect. Okay, this is very important. Having the if closing properly is very important in my quiz page to appropriately give them the right message. Go back to the email, click. Kindly visit the page from the email sent. Okay, not this one. I'm coming from the email itself. So the message has to be clearly configured. So this is working for the second one. And if else, kindly visit the page. If not empty, this is my first and this is my last. Okay. And here I need to have an else part. Okay. If I visit the page directly, it should show me the message, kindly visit. Good. If I try to visit the page and if I've submitted, you have completed the quiz. That is very good. This is all good. And now let me check whether it shows me the information for the participants. Click the link. Yeah, it is showing. Perfect. So I think I am almost done with all these scenarios which I wanted to test. And it's ready to go with the email, but I need to add 10 more questions for that. Okay. Which I'll be doing it without recording. And probably we are good done with the project also. Thank you very much. I'm stopping the screen sharing and the recording.